All right, guys, we're analyzing two properties in real time. I'm going to show you how fast this can actually be done. Let's dive into it.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is William Dauria. I'm a full-time real estate investor. I currently have 25 tenants, and this channel is all about achieving your financial freedom through real estate investing. So first things first, we have a property, a duplex here, and we got another duplex here. Let's go ahead and just click on this one, and I can tell you right off the bat, I looked at this first picture and I go, you know what? I'm going to do this on video. All right, so I'm going to look at the property, and the first thing I'm going to notice is the next house next door. It tells me this area is going to be a gentrified area because this house right here is 1930. That means that this house is obviously not 1930. That means they're knocking these things, actively knocking these things down, because this is a, it's an 80s build, 90s build at least. Okay, so this area could be up and coming. That's the first thing I noticed. The second thing I noticed is a cinder block, which kind of is a little bit of foreshadowing here of this inside may or may not need some work. All right, income producing full duplex located in a very up and coming neighborhood. Guys, I did not read that. I didn't. Only minutes to the Fort Worth Stockyards, future mini Nashville development, several new construction. Good. Unit A is leased through 23, so, okay, 6 months. Unit B is leased through mid-23, so a year from now. Foundation repaired with warranty, which is common here in North Texas. Each unit has exterior storage space and backyard, fresh paint, and new countertops installed in B. Okay, so, oh wow, they're 1-1 both sides. Usually on duplex, they'll show you like 2-2, and then you divide it into 1-1. Obviously, it's not a 0.5. So it's 1-1 both sides. It kind of tells me, I don't really know. Should I divide this by 2? Probably. I imagine it's not a ginormous one, but all right, let's look at the pictures. I actually read the description before I look at the pictures, so I kind of know what I'm looking for. But yeah, the inside is reasonably clean. I mean, you can tell they've done some patchwork here and here. You got a new ceiling fan, and floors look fine. Doors are old. This is fake granite. It's like that faux stuff. It's cheaper. It's durable. It's okay. Missing cabinet door pulls. These are old cabinets. They were just sprayed. Yeah, nothing remarkable about it so far. Not sure what's in there. It could be a water heater or something, but this, on older houses, they use these as closets. This right here kind of tells me that this could or could not be broken, but is not doing a fantastic job if you need a window unit as well, typically. I don't know. I have one tenant that wants to keep it at 60 degrees all year round, and it was 107 yesterday, or 111 with the heat index, and she wanted to keep a 3,300 square foot house at 60 even. Some things just ain't happening. Some people just need ridiculous amounts of cooling, which, you know, is whatever. So yeah, some updates, a little small, but I mean, it's functional. Yeah, it looks like a fence, chain link fence there. So yeah, this is, I'm not crazy about it, but let's go ahead and throw it in a renometer real quick. And let's see here. This is my last video. All right. Let's see. This is a 1-bed, 1-bath. I want to go back 3 months if I can. Smart house duplex. Okay. And since they're asking, what are they asking? What are they asking here? $265. So 1% of $265 per month is what I'd like this to rent for. So $26.50 a month. $26.50. I was a terrible student. $13.25 a month is what I want to see per side at a minimum. I'd like to see 15, 16. Yeah, we're not even close. So this is what I want to do. Though. I see this is actually I don't know where the property is here. Hold on. And I'm actually going to go back just a little bit longer as well, but I want to see where the property is first. Okay, so this one's 1,600. Okay, that thing must be super nice. Oh no. Okay, so we actually don't have any good comps here at all. All of our comps are way on the other side of the highway, and I'm not going to take that. Those are not good comps. Let's go back 6 months to see if we find anything here. So it wants to take me within 5 miles. We have a couple, but we're still crossing over a highway. I hate to go back 12 months, but I really do want to see something. Ah, there we go. Now we're all in that neighborhood. All up in those cookies. All right. So in this neighborhood, we have to remember that rents have gone up a little bit in the last 12 months. So we got, it looks like A and B right on top of each other. So A, B, and C are going to be fine. Now, how big was this thing? It was like 600 square feet. So here's a 600, and here's an 800, and here's a 700. So nines are pretty popular there. 940, 950. This was how long ago? Okay, 6 months, a year ago. So this one's the closest. It's a half mile. It's 11:45. I can pretty much tell you this property's probably not going to work. Yeah, it's kind of hard. I don't know what that property looks like inside. You can actually put this in Google if you wanted to really see if the numbers were close and you had to really see if this would work or not. But I think we're kind of far off on this one. Yeah, I mean, we can kind of click on these and yeah, well, that's a rough area. Jeez, how close is this? A half mile away? That's not great. Yeah, I mean, realistically, I'm probably just going to pass on this guy. I'm not seeing anything that tells me this is a great area or this is a the part of it told me it was a little bit of a gentrifying area. This does, for instance, but I wish I had more than one bedroom. And the thing is if this property was close to me, like really close to me, I'd drive there and actually poke my head in, measure it, and see if maybe there is a second bedroom or even a third bedroom in there. Because sometimes these old houses had like multiple large living rooms. Well, it could be a bedroom, it could be an office, it could be utilized to something completely different than back from 1930. But yeah, you don't need just random giant rooms everywhere. Those could be every bit of bedrooms. So you could turn a large 1-bedroom into a 2-bedroom or even a 3-bedroom house. Of course, it's only going to have 1 bath at the time. But all right, so this is the next one here. It's also in Fort Worth. It's a 6-bed, which probably tells me, bingo. All right. Both units are 3-bed, 2-bath. Just because they say it's a great cash flowing property doesn't mean that. All right, so both units are 3-2 both sides. That's great. And it's a 1978 build. 2,800 divided by 2. I know that's easy math. That's 1,400 a side. All right. So next thing you know, I want to kind of look at the pictures. It's a nice brick build. The roof looks okay. The windows seals, I think, is broken on that one. These are probably original windows. All tile, which is cool. The tile's durable. Kitchen's functional. Hey, is that? I can't tell. That might be granite. I don't know. So it's got a laundry room. It's got an oversized garage. There's that extra right there. That's nice. You can actually open your door, at least on the right side. That's cool. The little kids nook, super cool. I hope that's a closet. You notice how there's no closet in this room? Gotta look for stuff like that. Oh, also, every room has to have that's why this room looks weird. Every room has to have a window for, fire emergencies, for code. So I don't see a window here. I don't, obviously no, and probably no, I don't know. That's why this room looks so weird. You got no windows, you got no closets. It's a big prison cell with carpet. Nice plushy carpet. All right. Yeah, it's functioning. It's functional. This room looks fine. Yeah, this room looks fine. Functional. Yeah. So these were replaced semi-recently. They're nice. And this is a metal. That's kind of cool. Yeah. I think somebody made that. I haven't seen that before. Anyways, we got a gate on the front, which kind of tells me maybe this area could be a little bit rough. This is what I want to do real fast. I'm going to do 2 things. One, I want to, I'm going to go to Google real quick, and I just want to see what this area looks like. Let's see here. On Street View, and I'm just going to pan around, and I'm literally going to say, okay, so there's a duplex. Okay. Yeah, I like this. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the address and we are going to throw it on rentometer.com. and we're going to analyze this property as well. So we're going to throw this address here. We're going to do a 3-bed, 1.5 bath, and we're going to go back 3 months. We're going to definitely keep it on smart as well. We're going to hit analyze. So what we're going to get is, let's scroll down. I want to see, actually, I want to get deep into this neighborhood. Give me a second here. So we know the property is actually, let's see how big this guy is, 2,800 square feet. 2,800 divided by 2, 1,400 square foot per side. Okay, good. I got A and B. Those are really good comps right there. A, B, and C if we have to take it. So we're asking 370. So 370. We want to rent this thing for 3,700 a month total. So divided by 2, I want to see rents at like 1,850. 1,850 for 1,400 square foot. So what are we here? Yeah, this one actually has potential here. So I'm going to look at 1, 2, and 3, and I like how the red means the most expensive, and I like how the red is like all around this property. So I'm actually going to look at all 3 of these. Is that a comp? Does that look like a comp to 3, 2, 1,900 square foot? Yeah, it probably has a 1, 2 car garage in the back. Let's look at this guy. A lot of brick and no windows, but yep, that one's probably a decent comp too. And this guy is, yeah, it's an older house, but yeah, that would also be a decent comp, because I mean, heck, this one brings 2,200 a month, and I'm only looking for 1,850. So yeah, this is actually this one actually has a little bit of potential for sure. So we're not going to go over ARVs in this particular one. I just want to show you how to find, you know, the very first steps of finding a rental property, like what makes sense right off the bat. Does it meet the 1%? If it doesn't, you're moving on to the next. It's literally that easy. So yeah, guys, that's a find. This one right here, from at this point, what I would do is this. I would probably contact my property manager in the area, or a property manager in the area. Basically, all you would do is you would go here and you would find, let me see here. This is Fort Worth. So yeah, so any Fort Worth property manager, I happen to have one actually, and I would call them and I would say, hey, this is the address I got here. Check it out online. What do you think about the area? What do you think about the rent potential? And they'll let you know, hey, this is what we think we could actually get for you. They do it all day, every day, and their opinion is worth its weight in gold sometimes, and some property managers are definitely better than others. Hey guys, if you like it, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and do all that good stuff, and I will see you on the next one.